Oh, this is insane. Oh, baby, come here. Come here and look at this real quick. Billy's a brave soul. Look at it. It's right there. He's like, I need to get the fuck home.
Oh my god, that's way too close to us. We need to get in the car and go.
I'm not getting in the car. The house is the safest place. You need to get in the bathroom. Go get in the bathroom. Oh shit, it's funneling. Baby, it's not near us yet. Once I see it hit that tree, I'm in.
Please get in.
Look, it's just over there. Once it hits that tree, I'm in. Okay?
It's right here. It's right above us.